Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. Now remember guys, the previous episode ended with uPramaiki putting uSiphamandla and uVusi in the same place so that iqiniso lizophuma. So actually this episode opens up at that scene. So Mike then says, hey, khulumani nina. uSiphamandla then says, mina Pramaiki, all I remember is that I got shot. Lo muntu wangidubula angemkhumbuli ukuthi wayenjani. I wouldn't even be able to describe him. Manje angazi Pramaiki. Why would I even claim that you shot me? uPramaiki looks at uVusi then says, igama lami lifunani? uVusi then says, angazi Pramaiki. It wasn't me. uMike then says, yay, musu ungenzi slima. Nawe watutsholo. uVusi then says, cha. uMike then turns to one of his drivers and then he says, lalela. Awuvela ubakhumbela umgodi lizobafaka laba ngibangcwabe. uVusi then says, hayi Pramaiki. uMike then says, bangenza islima. uVusi then says, angisoze mina ngenze leyo nto. I'd never take you for a fool Pramaiki. Ngiyafunga nazi Pramaiki. Angishongo lutho mina. uPramaiki then says, nilokho ningenza islima la. Igama lami lingena kanjani? uVusi then says, shuthi bengichaza Pramaiki ukuthi wenzekeni ngalola suku. Ngasho ukuthi angikhumbuli kahle yonke into yenzeke ngokukhulu ukushesha. I mentioned that I saw your taxi, but I never said that you did it. uMike looks at uVusi. He then says, itekisi lami. He slaps uVusi, guys. uVusi then says, Pramaiki. uVusi falls to the floor. uPramaiki turns to uSipha amvuthuze ngempama. Him too. uSipha's crying, mina ngazi lutho Pramaiki. uVusi then says, Pramaiki, wonke umuntu uyazi. You don't go around shooting people. Wonke umuntu uyazi Pramaiki ngiyacela. uPramaiki takes out imvubu, guys, starts lashing the both of them. uVusi is busy crying then, ngiyakholisa Pramaiki. I mean, the scene just ends like that. This man means business. Next scene ke uNomalanga ekuseni, she is packing her school books into a school bag, getting ready to go to school. uVusi angene ekitchen, but because ubheke phansi, he bumps into uNomalanga. uNomalanga looks at him. uVusi is like, oh hey, sorry. uNomalanga's like, how? uVusi then says, nlese. uNomalanga then says, yini kodwa Vusi? uVusi then says, sorry sisi. uNomalanga sees the blue eye, because at this point, guys, the blue eye is looking so bad on uVusi. You can see he got a beating, which uMike was wrongful. If ufuna ukushaya ingane, he shouldn't hit them like he's fighting nengdanga zakhe. So uNomalanga then says, kwenzekeleni kuwe? uVusi then says, oh, it's nothing. He covers the eye with the other hand. uNomalanga then says, Vusi, ulimele. Usho ukuthini ukuthi it's nothing? uVusi then says, it's nothing Nomalanga. uNomalanga then says, you lying again. uVusi then says, indaba uthanda ukufaka ikhala lakho endabeni zami. uNomalanga then says, kulungile. If you won't tell me what's going on, I'm going to tell uButsfiso everything. uVusi then says, Nomalanga man, shh. Because uButsfiso is in the next room, and uNomalanga, because she's seeing her brother uKutulimele, her voice, she is speaking loudly. uVusi goes on to say, ngishawe uPramaiki. uNoma then says, uPramaiki. uVusi then says, shh. uNoma then says, why? Yindaba. uVusi then says, yikuthi uye wathola ukuthi yimina otshele uBhuti igama lakhe and involved him in this whole thing. uNomalanga then says, waseyakushaya Vusi. uVusi then says, shh, Nomalanga man. uNomalanga then says, fanele utshele uButsfiso. uVusi then says, ena, hayi cha, angeke ngiyenze leyo nto. Ungishayile kulungile, iphelile lento. uNoma then says, Vusi, if you don't tell uButsfiso, I will tell him myself. Njengamanje futhi. uVusi then says, Nomalanga, yini inkinga yakho? Ufuna uBhuti ahambe ayola noPramaiki. As he's speaking like that, kanti uSifiso walked into the kitchen. uSifiso then says, how? uVusi starts hiding his eye. uSifiso goes on to say, ngilwe noPramaiki. Ngilwelani naye? uVusi then says, hayi, Bhuti, siyakhuluma nje, sino Nomalanga, yazi, it's nothing. uSifiso then says, ngibuze umbuzo. why would I fight with Upra Mike? UNomalanga then says, mchele. Uvusi then says, Puti, as being Shilo, that's nothing. Mina no Nomalanga, says Kulumela. Mhlampe, you might want to challenge Upra Mike to a fight or ungaraji. Says Kulumela nje, it's nothing angiti, looking at UNomalanga. Unoma then says, Puti, she pulls Uvusi's hand out of his face so that Uputi can see what's going on with Uvusi's face. So Nomalanga then says, Upra Mike ushaya Uvusi. Usfiso then pauses for a minute. He then says, Ukshayelani. Uvusi then says, Puti, agyuan into enkulu. Usfiso then says, Yey, lalela wena. Njengoba unje ulimele. Ukshayile uMike. Uvusi then says, Njengoba ngishilo Puti, agyona into enkulu. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene ke uNomfundo, she is supposed to be washing dishes. Umenga says sinking, guys, but she's just staring into thin air, busy thinking. Uzethu walks into the kitchen and then she says, Fufu, umausalele. UNomfundo azithunele, she doesn't even hear Uzethu walking in. Uzethu looks at her and then she says, Nomfundo. Nomfundo snaps out of it. She then says, Mnese, kaduthini. Uzethu then says, kwenzakalani ngawe? Nomfundo then says, lutho. Uzethu then says, but she's so distant. Nomfundo then says, kuyiqiniso. Uzethu then says, ini. Unomfundo says, nguye ozenze kanje. Uzethu then says, uba, confused. Unomfundo then says, ubaba. Uzethu then says, ubaba, uzenzeni. Nomfundo then says, abantu bathi ugula ngoba uphuza kakhulu. Uzethu then says, hayi suka, ayikho leyo nto leyo. Nomfundo then says, kungani basho njalo pho? Uzethu then says, waza ngikukhombise. Unomfundo asondele ngempela. Uzethu then says, buka ke. She takes 2 lemons etafuleni. She then says, do you see these 2? These are your kidneys. Le, she takes green pepper ke guys. Sizothi yinhliziyo. Leli ke libe yikhanda lomuntu. She takes another fruit or veggie theme. So uzama ukubonisa uNomfundo something. She goes on to say, we understand angithi mengibeka so. uNomfundo then nods her head. Uzethu goes on to say, igazi angithi uyalazi ukuthi lisebenza kanjani emzimbeni. Blood flows through all of your body. Libuye, liyelana enhlizweni, and then liyaphambeka all the way to where? She's demonstrating laphayana. Liya kuma kidney. Right, okay. Kidneys are like fillers. Asusukungcola and all toxins. Bese iyachitha. So if ever ama kidneys akho akasasebenzi kahle, kusho ukuthi ukungcola emzimbeni uyaqoqakala with all toxins, and then it starts to pile up in your body. Then it circulates with your blood up until it gets to your heart. Uyazi ke nawe kwenzakalani mengabe inhliziyo isindelo. UNomfundo then says, ingakho ubaba edinga dialysis angithi. Uzethu then says, yebo, that's why edinga dialysis. Ngoba dialysis yenza umsebenzi wani? UNomfundo then says, wama kidney. Uzethu then says, yebo, yes. We understand ake manje. And then UNomfundo nods, and then the scene just ends like that. Guys, I've said this time and time again, one thing I love about Homecoming, I feel like you learn a lot of things here about isintu and medicine in general. I never knew ukuthi dialysis ukuthi yenzani, but listen, sengiyazi ke manje. Next scene ke uMashabalala, she brings uZenzo iphalishi porridge ekseni, guys. Uzenzo's busy blowing in his nose sitting in bed. So when uMashabalala can see the tissue on the side of the bed and he's still blowing his nose almost as if he's got flu, she then says, hayibo baba, yini kwenzakalani? Uzenzo then says, imbiza. uMashabalala then says, hayi baba, you just had imbiza yakho manje. Uzenzo then says, shesha. One thing about Uzenzo, guys, the way he's so stubborn. Someone was even saying they wish Uzenzo could just pass away because that really, this man is stubborn for nothing, guys. So Mashabalala then says, ayangeke hlongwane, imbiza, usanda iphuza manje nje. Uzenzo then says, Mashabalala then says, fanele ufake into edliwayo. Uzenzo then says, Mashabalala, do what I'm telling you. Angene uZethu, cause umangele, what's the commotion for? She looks at uZenzo, she's like, ufunani? Mashabalala then says, ubaba wakho, ufuna imbiza, but he just had it now. uZethu then says, Shongwane, amakhala, kwenzakalani? uZenzo then says, kwaninte ephumayo. uZethu looks at the tissues there near the bedside. She awahlole, guys. She then says, uyabona ke, baseku green kanje, iyona nto ebengiyisho ke le. Mele uye esibhedlele wenze i-dialysis. uZenzo then says, ngithe letha imbiza. uZethu then says, baba, une-infection. Imbiza kanjani ugula kanjena? uZenzo then says, manje ungithethiselani? uZethu then says, angikuthethisi ngwane. Ngiyaxolisa kodwa mina angisazi ke manje ukuthi ngenzeni. I-kidney failure akusiyona umdlalo baba. uNomfundo walks in. uZenzo looks at uNomfundo. He then says, ngilethele imbiza. uZethu then says, awuyidingi imbiza. Ungayindawo Nomfundo. Ungayindawo. uZenzo then says, ntombi zethu. Mashabalala then says, baba, maybe she's right. uZethu then says, ngiqinisile vele mama. uZenzo then says, ufuna ngiqoshe la endlini ntombi zethu. Yona nto oyifunayo leyo. uZethu then says, uyazibulala baba. uZenzo then says, ntombi zethu, ufuna ngiqoshe la endlini. uZethu then says, ngcono ungixoshe baba. He starts coughing uncontrollably. Then says, let him phisa. uZethu, guys, she's feeling so emotional. She just walks out crying. Mashabalala then says, Nomfundo, I will show you where imbiza ukuthi uzoyitholaphi. Mashabalala goes on to say, baba, uzomele udle ukuze uzoba ngcono. uZenzo then says, ngifuna imbiza mina. Mashabalala then says, ulwelani ngoba fanele udle. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uVusi and uNomalanga. They are coming from Estolo, and uSpha ujaha ulokuzana uVusi to have a conversation with him. So uSpha then says, manje uzimisele ungangikhulumise kuze kube nini, yeah? Uyangixaka mina. What makes you upset at me? Because I'm not the one who beat you up. It was Bramike. uVusi amege, guys. He then says, uSpha Mandla then says, yeah. uVusi then says, hlukana nami lwabishindini. uSpha then says, yay, ushok mina mawuthi lwabishindini. What did I do? uVusi then says, I told you, hlukana nami lwabishi. uNoma then says, Vusi, awukahle. At this point, uVusi is all up in uSpha Mandla's face. uSpha then says, ngeke ngize ngikuncenge mina. When you are also at fault, ungunwabishi ngokwakho wena. uVusi then says, uthini? Phinda ungithuke. uSpha then says, uyalwa yini pho? uVusi then says, phinda ungithuke. Uyangisaba yini pho? uVusi is pushing uSpha Mandla. Remember, guys, uSpha Mandla just got out of hospital. He's even walking a crash, but uVusi is busy pushing him. uSpha then says, are you fighting with me, Vusi? uVusi then says, this is all your fault, Spha. uSpha then says, yiphutha lami. Ungazongihlanyela wena. uVusi then says, uthini? uSpha then says, yifault yakho le ndoda. uVusi then says, did you not almost get me killed? uSpha then says, ubulaliswa yimina, uyahlanya. Yimina who unnecessarily brought up uBramike's name. uVusi then says, ubani odinga izitha ma unabangani abafana noSpha. uSpha then says, ubiza mina ngesitha wena mbundlwane. uVusi then says, uthini? I dare you to say that again. I dare you. uSpha vela athule. uVusi then says, uyakhuluma. When uSpha sees ngathi uVusi is walking away, he then says, uzongenzani? uVusi turns back, guys. He's trying to pull ikrachi kaSpha Mandla. uNoma comes between them. She then says, Vusi, stop it, the two of you. Nenzani? uVusi then says, I'll beat up this boy mina. uSpha then says, ukhuluma udoti wena. uVusi then says, uyakhuluma yini? Uyakhuluma? uNoma then says, Vusi, pushing him away. Uyazi ukuthi usenkingeni engakanani njengamanje? Uyakwazi lokho? Nobabili nibe yilima wokuthi nidlale ngesibhamu. Stop fighting and start thinking about how you're going to fix this. Mwah. And then she just walks off, leaving them nje kanjalo. uVusi points at uSpha Mandla like to say ukuthi wena, I'm warning you. uSpha Mandla then says, angikuncenge, ngicabanga ukuthi ngizokuncenga. And then the scene ends like that. Next scene, guys, a police station. uLokuzana uSifiso received news ukuthi isibhamu sika Bramike is clean. So uSifiso had to call uBramike to come to the police station to come and sign ukuthi vele he got the gun. So anyway, there's another police officer that's making uBramike's son sign amaphepha, and then he hands over isibhamu kuBramike. As uBramike is about to exit that room, angene uSifiso. uSifiso then says, hey, Bramike, isibhamu sakho si-clean ngempela. UMike then says, manje, uSifiso then says, uqonda ukuthini mawuthi manje? UMike then says, ayikho into efuna ukuyisho kumina. uSifiso then says, ngiqeda kusho ukuthi isibhamu sakho si-clean ngempela. UMike then says, oh, awuzupholisa. uSifiso then says, ngixoliselani manje? Mike looks at him and then he heads towards the door. As he's heading towards the door, you can see uSifiso is feeling bad or guilty. He then says, Bra Mike, ima. Bra Mike, ame. Mike then says, wesifiso? Awungitshele. Ufike wena wangisola ngokuthi ngidubulele lamfana. Emva kwalokho manje awuboni isidingo sokuthi uxolise kumina. uSifiso then says, bengenza umsebenzi wami mina. Kodwa Mike, you also went too far. Umshayelana uVusi ungangitshelanga. Usukwazi ukushaya uVusi ungangitsheli manje. uMike then says, uVusi lo wakini. Akusona isizathu why you took my gun. uSifiso then says, yazi ukuthini? Ya ngiyavuma. Ngenze iphutha. Yiphutha elikhulu engilenzile. Kodwa bengenza umsebenzi wami nami. Nawe futhi usephutheni ngalento yenzile. Kodwa ngiyakucela Bra Mike, lento le ingangeni ngaphakathi kwethu. uMike just looks at him like he's so irritated and then he leaves the police station nje kanjalo. These two have such a good friendship. I really hope that they can make things work after lenyaka nyaka. Anyway, next scene uZethu guys is crying. She is after she stormed off of her father, telling her ukuthi or asking her ukuthi ufuna ngixoshe ngoba uZethu didn't want to bring imbiza yakhe. She is sitting or standing there in her father's scrapyard. Ubheke izinto zakhe busy crying. I guess she's coming to the realization that, you know what? My dad could be leaving all of these things behind. Angene Ungahi joins her. Unga then says, yazi if it were up to him, he'd sleep in here. Okumlimaza okugcina nje yilento yokuthi akakwazi ukusebenza. Iyamudla ukudlula the kidneys. uZethu then says, ngaraje, uthi ngenze njani ke? Ubaba akafuni ukuthi ngimsize. Nawe ngaraje, you're not helping me at all. Awusamncengi nomncenga ke. Unga then says, ubaba ukholela ngokwenza izinto ngesintu. Ukholela ekwenzeni izinto the old way. uZethu then says, une-infection ke manje. Emva kwalokho kuyehlela. You know, sometimes I just wish angiyanga nokuyofunda kuleyo university. Ngifisa ngabo ubaba akazange wangifundisa nhlobo nje ngoba ngibuyile manje ne-degree kodwa ubaba wami omzalayo angamana afe, then let me help him. Ungai, he turns his head, guys, to a direction where uZethu can't see him and his tears just start running down his face. uZethu then says, uyabana ke manje ngaraji ukuthi why lento ngayithathi kancane ngoba akuyona umdlalo. She notices ukuthi ungaraje, he's just quiet. She then says, all right. Unga then says, yeah, right. He sniffs there. Yindaba ubusa. He's busy wiping his tears, but in a direction that uZethu angamboni. uZethu then says, ngiyabona ukuthi awukho right ngaraje. Nawe ungumuntu and iyakudla ngaphakathi lento. Kodwa ngiyacela ke mntaka baba, instead of fighting me, help me get ubaba better. Ngiyacela, cela uyokhuluma naye, nibhekane njengamadoda, umncenge, ngiyacela. Ungaraje just walks off, guys, wiping his tears, and uZethu's left there. She also starts crying. Last scene ke police station, guys. uPhindile the nurse, she is there for impendulo. Phela uSiphamandla, the one who got shot, that is her son. So uPhindile then says, lutho. uSifiso then says, we brought in all the suspects and interrogated them, but uPhindile then says, ningafuni ukubona ikhanda lami kuleli station, ningalinga ningisanganise mina, yezwa? Ingane yami was shot in broad daylight in front of the whole community. Ningitshela ukuthi anitholi lutho. uSifiso then says, sisi, ngiyakuthembisa, we are working really hard. uPhindile then says, Fiso, ngicela nisebenze ngempela. Come on. And then she walks out. uSifiso's left saying, Phindile. As he's busy saying, uPhindile, uDlamini angene. She then says, Khathide. uSifiso then says, Dlamini, ngiyasebenza. I just got yelled at by a nurse. Ngiyasebenza man. uDlamini then says, oh, hayi ke. If you know where the missing bullet is, it's fine. Phela guys, earlier on, when Usfiso found out about the news that Mike's gun is clean, he called Mike to come to the station. But he also found out that it's inspection day for the police officers to submit their guns to go and get inspected. So Usfiso then says, Dlamini, yimakangane. Ibullet yani ukhuluma ngayo manje. Dlamini then says, isibhamu sakho. The report from the firearm inspection says that there's one bullet missing. Kanti futhi kuma report akukho lutho, there's no account for it. Usfiso then says, hey, yiphutha lelo. Ungalokhu khuluma leyo nto leyo phambi kwabantu. Yiphutha lelo. The bullet must be in my gun. Dlamini then says, mawuthi yiphutha, kusho ukuthi you don't know where the bullet actually is. Usfiso then says, lalela mina, ngizohamba ngiyosibheka isibhamu njengamanje futhi. All the bullets are there. Why would I lose a bullet? Sengalahla ibullet mina. Yasebenza la, ongidedele. She leaves, guys, but you can see Usfiso is concerned. Could it be that he's eventually or finally putting one and one together? Anyway, let's pause it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.